Hi, welcome to the final week discussion of the course Foundations of ICT in Education. We hope that you learned something of our discussion last week. This is about the two competency domains of ICT in education, particularly in the classroom administration and organization and teacher professional development. Last week, we learned that there are three approaches of ICT competency in classroom organization and administration. These are standard classroom, collaborative groups, and learning organization. We also learned that there are three approaches of ICT competency in teacher professional development, which includes digital literacy, manage and guide, and teacher as a model learner. We assume that you made your reflections on the following questions. Number one, how does ICT professional learning influence curriculum planning and teaching practice? Second, how prepared and capable are you to activate new ways of learning and teaching using ICT? Third, are there a range of strategies and activities used to support ICT professional development in your school? And lastly, give at least 3 topics you would like to have for an ICT skills enhancement. For this week, we will discuss the final component in integrating ICT in education. This is ICT social and ethical domain. At the end of this week, you are expected to, number 1, discuss the importance of ICT social and ethical skills. Second, analyze the basic foundation of social and ethical skills in ICT. Third, describe the current practices of ICT social and ethical skills. And last but not the least, examine competency standards of ICT social and ethical skills. Please take note that Quiz 5 is now open and it will be closed on March 8, 11:55 p.m. that is in Philippine time. Also, please be reminded that the final exam is scheduled on March 8, 2014, Saturday. It will be open from 1 a.m. until 11:55 p.m. Philippine time. Friends, e-learners, good luck and have fun!